Yes guys, today I'll be doing tilapia, red tilapia fish. Now I arrange my fish before doing any other thing, before seasoning. This is how I cut it from the wrapper inside the nylon. Yeah, each of the fish different nylon. I get to move them from inside the nylon. As I remove them from inside the nylon, now I show which I they cook. I they move some of the scales. Some scales they still remain. You get for check your fish because not just carry like that. Say they don't move scale. So one day they still remain. So they cut they win them. I mean, you can fly. You understand? Now the scale in that one they remove. As I just remove and they remove. Everything I for remove, no be for put. Now after I go put now say they fix the fish. See as I dey struggle for fix the fish be still get more ice. So I be don remove am, I keep am make the ice dissolve before now I can dey fix am. So guys, this is what I'm doing with my fish from the freezer. So I dey fix am. Yes guys, be industrious, be motivated, be productive, have courage for yourself, do things as it's supposed to be. Don't just do things because you see people are doing. Check yourself before entering into any business. My people, look at they say my dance after they fix the fish. I just the time I'm out because I just they work and they fix them. Now so yes, so thank you for watching. It's your baby girl Quinta. Happy Monday, happy new week. I hope say this new week will be better for us. It will bring us good things. Yes, my darlings. I love you guys. Take care of yourself. For yourself. Now I say when I finish each of the fish, I have to cut. I have to cut it into 3 on the other side, cut them 3 for the other side. Give it a mark because that's where so that the spices go enter well for inside. It go enter well. When you enter now inside, everything go jolly for the fish. The thing go the jolly, the sweet. I don't finish that one now. Soon I go the cut am. You see am. Now say they do cutty. See am. They cut am. Voila, inside the kitchen. Hey, this is Quinta kitchen. This is the right way of doing roasting fish. Na Cameroon roasting fish. Now they sweet, pepper they sweet, everything for they sweet. Look at that. As I show na how I cut them.